This hot tub by far is the most comfortable hot tub I have ever owned. And to be honest with you, it's my fifth one. I have had 5 Niagaras in my backyard. It fits me incredibly well. It cradles you into your seat, nestle down in under those neck jets, and you put your feet down on that footridge. It holds you in place so you can get the therapy you need. And all you can say once you get in that hot tub is, I absolutely love my Caldera Niagara, and it is by far the most comfortable hot tub I have ever owned. I started selling hot tubs about 20 years ago, and the very first hot tub I ever sold was a Caldera Niagara. And I remember that sale to this day. And part of the reason that I made that sale, I remember the customer telling me how comfortable his hot tub was and how much he loved it. So I ended up taking one home for myself. And I do have the luxury of switching my hot tubs out quite a bit, but I keep coming back to the Caldera Niagara because it is just by far the most comfortable hot tub, and it's just a good looking hot tub. And with this new technology, it's just a no-brainer that you would pick a Caldera Niagara too. So there you have it. Those are the reasons why the Caldera Niagara is my go-to hot tub every single time. The comfort, the performance, the style, the technology with the freshwater IQ. You can't go wrong with this hot tub.